Okay, everyone, it's time to go back to writing. And we yesterday talked about writing our conclusions. So let's see what our next step should be. Okay, so far we've said that to write like a scientist, we have to ask a question about how the world works. And we did that. And we recorded our hypothesis, our guess. And we thought about how we would test it. And we recorded our procedure. That means we wrote everything down. We conducted multiple trials. We didn't just do it once. We did it 3 times on the bare floor and 3 times on the rug. And yesterday, I asked you to analyze your results and write a conclusion. My hypothesis was right because, or my hypothesis was wrong because. And that brings us just about to the end of this part. So if we look in our black and white notebook, we should have all this information and our materials, our procedures. Okay, and what exactly we did. First, we told our reader what we were going to do, and then we showed them how we did it. We told them how we did it. And finally, the part that you wrote yesterday, your conclusion. Okay, now here's what I want you to do next. So now, boys and girls, I want you to take all of those notes from your notebook and I want you to rewrite them onto nice paper. You can use your own drawings. Okay, you can see this page here just shows experiment 1. This one shows experiment 2. Okay, it doesn't have to be 4 pages. It might be 5. It might be 6. What you want to do is keep it neat, organized. Keep your ideas easy to read. Okay, so now it's all about our handwriting. We've already done the work. We've done the measurements. We've written our hypothesis. We've written our conclusion, whatever we think it was. We have all of our information. We have our data charts. So what I want you to do is take your data chart. You don't have to redraw that. Okay, you've got that. Take the pretty paper that you have. If you need more, let me know. And what I want you to do is put it all together into a really nice lab report. Okay, you can add your own drawings. In fact, I would like you to. The reason I want you to do this is one of the things we'll be doing really soon is our own experiment. So I modeled this one for you, right? I did all of the work. I'm going to see if you can come up with one. We're going to talk more about it. It's not going to be as difficult as it sounds, okay? But you need to have something that you can look at where you can say, oh, okay, this is how I did it before. This is how I'm going to do it again, okay? So start today. You might need more than a day to get this done, but take all of that information that's written in your notebook, in your black and white notebook, and now put it onto pretty paper. Make sure your name is on there. Make sure you label the pages, right? Experiment 1, experiment 2, materials. Sometimes students on the materials page like to draw the ramp, the car, the pencil, the tape measure. Okay, you can do whatever you want with the pictures, but make sure everything is neat and organized and that you have all your pages together. And when that's finished, make sure you send it in so I can check it. Okay, and we will talk about our next step very soon. That's it, boys and girls. Happy writing!